today we're going to be doing something so fun. You guys know how you love the stories about Llama Llama? Yes. Remember, who's the person that writes the words? Do you remember what that's called? Angelique, what's that called? You need a friend to help you? Okay, who remembers what it's called? Yannick, what's it called? This is the front cover, but I'm talking about the person who writes the words of the stories. Their job is called an author. Everyone say author.
Author!
And today you guys are going to become authors too. How exciting is that? That's exciting. And we're going to do this every day. Okay, we're going to write every day. We're going to work on your stories. And look, here's what I want you to know. If you can think of a story in your head, like look, this little boy, he's thinking of a story about a shark. If he can think it, then he can draw the story using his tools, and then he can write the story. Okay? So, I'm going to be teaching you today about how writing is just telling a story on paper. Okay? Now, I want to write a story today, but what could I write about? I could write about my family. I tell you a lot about my family. Or I could write about what I did this weekend. Ooh, or, you know, I could write about my pets. Yeah, I love my pets. You know what? I have 2 dogs at home, and I love them so much. Everyone's eyes back on here. He's just going to be fixing something. Now, one dog, I'm going to be writing while I talk, okay? One dog's name is Piper. Piper is a black dog, and she's pretty big. She's a big doggy.
Like, is it like another Piper?
Yeah, you know, that's right. Miss Hayes has a Piper, but I have another Piper. It's different. She's black, and she has straight fur, not curly. Like Jericho and Piper are curly doggies, but my dog, it has straight fur. So I'm going to draw straight fur. Look. Look, I drew my doggie's ears. She has some big ears. And her eyes. She has black eyes. A nose. And all her fur. And you know what? I can't forget. Piper has a green collar around her neck.
Where?
And then, I have another doggie. Oh no.
What's
there
her
we go.
name?
Her name is Margot. Margot, she's a lab doggie. And so she's big too. But she's about the same size as Piper. They're both big doggies. Draw her paws.
What's the happy rainbow?
And her body. And look, Miss Tabor doesn't sometimes, oh, no talking right now. I'm drawing. I'm writing. I draw her eyes. And I gotta get some black because her nose is black.
I don't see it.
I know, it's because she's yellow.
Mine.
But look, I'll add some of her parts in black so you can see. But you know, just like Piper, she does not have curly fur. She has straight fur. So I gotta draw straight lines. And you know what? This fur gets everywhere in my house. Now, am I done?
Yeah. Yeah.
No, I'm not done. I gotta add the stuff. I have to add her collar. Her color is blue around her neck. And now I need to add, gotta add the ground. They love to go outside. So I'm gonna add some grass. add? What else should I add? If they're outside, what else should I draw?
A sun.
A sun. Okay, I heard Angelique say I should draw a sun. And I think I should color the sky.
And the cloud.
I'm coloring the sky blue because I look outside and the sky's blue. Oh, you know what? I could draw some clouds. And now I'm gonna write. We're gonna pretend that this marker right here is my pencil, okay? I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna write the words to my story, okay?
Okay.
First, I need to label the pictures. This right here is a sun. Sun. What's that letter? It does sound like C, but it's actually S. I'm gonna write S up there for sun.
S. I found letter S.
You did find the letter S right up there with the sun. But right now I'm gonna do my cloud. This letter also has Cecilia's letter. What letter is that, Cecilia?
K.
It's K, but it also is C. Cloud. Now my friends, now when you look at my picture, you can look at the letter and you'll know that this is a cloud. Now, since I'm the puppy's mommies, I know how to spell their name, but let's practice sounding it out. This is Piper. P for Piper. And Margot. Letter M for Margot. Now, I have to write my sentence at the bottom. Okay, I think I'm gonna write, I have 2 dogs. Okay, so my first word is I. Okay, and now I gotta do a space, because that's one word. I, and I put space, have. Oh, I don't know how to spell that word. What should I do? I should stretch it out so I can hear the different sounds. That's an H. Ab. B. I have 2. I could just write the number for 2. I have 2 dogs. Dogs. This one I think I can stretch out. Dogs. D. O. G. Dogs.
Like Daisy.
And then look, I'm almost done. I have 2 dogs. Then I can add my period. Okay? So now I wrote my story. Okay? Today, you're gonna do just what I did. Okay? You're gonna do just what I did. But you're gonna write your own story. Okay? Your story can be about anything you want. So you need to do what this little boy's doing. Get a picture in your head. It can be about your family, or something fun you did, or your animals, or a pretend story. And you're gonna draw it on your paper the best that you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, listening? Are you listening, Aurora? It doesn't have to be perfect. My doggies are only perfect, but I drew them the best I could. Okay? And then, once you think the story, you can write it. You can draw the story, then you can write your words and label it and try your best. Okay? Now today, you have to think that writers need quiet spots to work, okay? So we have to be writing so quietly. So when I give you your paper, you're gonna tell me what you're gonna write about. So everyone put your fingers to your head. Show me, think about what you wanna write about today. Think. Oh, think. When I call your name, you're gonna tell me what you're gonna write about. And I'm gonna give you your piece of paper, okay? Angelique, what are you gonna write about?
Family.
You gonna write about your family? Okay, here you go. Joseph, what are you gonna write about? Your family? Okay. Remember, you all don't have to write about the same thing. You can use the crayons at the table. Use your crayons at the table, okay, Angelique? Use the crayons